Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. In today's video, I will be sharing my work on London pine. It is easily available and cheap compared to other bonsai species. And clear out some area so we can decide the shape for the bonsai. It is long and tedious process, so will take lots of time and demands multiple iteration. This is also my first work on such big bonsai material. I am still unable to decide the shape, so I guess I will have to prune more and get to the trunk. Once I will be able to decide the front, I can later decide the shape and size for the bonsai. You need to be extremely careful at this step. Only cut the branches which you are extremely sure, or simply leave it, as you can always finalize later and cut it out. But will be difficult to grow branch of same size if cut by mistake. Slowly I am beginning to see the front of the bonsai and finalize the shape. At present there are two big growths which are gaining my attention, but I cannot muster hard to select one and cut out the other. So I guess I will simply leave it for now and then cut out the other half after some time. Let's wait for a while. Till then, start wiring the branches. Note, while wiring, I am applying pressure on the wire, not on the twigs or the branches. You may require multiple wires, and this will entirely depend upon the size of branch and shape complexity. You will have to do, redo, and sometimes undo this entire process. I am not using expensive bonsai wire. These are galvanized wire, readily and easily available in shop near us. And yes, you are correct. I always have this one guy helping me in every my project. He is used to it all now and carries on with his own routine. I guess he also enjoys gardening. At this point, I am pretty much satisfied with the shape it is taking. London pine can easily be bent to extreme limit, but at this moment I don't want to test my luck. While I was working, my phone battery died and I couldn't film the later process. I had to get rid of extra soil and cut out some roots and plant it into the fresh soil. The soil mixture had 10% gravel, 20% river sand, 5% dried out leaves, 20% vermicompost and garden soil. If you liked the video, please subscribe the channel and I will try my level best to come out with such videos regularly.